Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JavaScript. Today we are going to learn how to convert the strings to array in JavaScript. So let's get started. First method that we are going to use, that is the split method, right? Which we have already discussed in my previous videos. If not you are watching it, let's have a quick recap on that one. So basically you can see that here we have a comma separator, right? So split the string on the behalf of comma, right? So I'm going to just split that string on the behalf of comma using the split, and what it will result, the output should be hello world if you want that one. If there would be a plus or something like suppose if I'm going to just add here the plus, so you can also here to need to add plus so that it will separate on the behalf of the plus operator, right? Then it will return the hello world. Let's have a look and copy this one and run this code. So I'll explain the things. Here you can see that when I do and just console.log, you can see that array hello and the world, right? If I just go and reload and make it again, if I remove the comma and my string, it looks like this one, right? So how I would separate this one or convert that into the string to array. So I will just use this plus operator and it will convert me the array hello world. Any operator you are adding over here, if you want to convert that, split that part and convert into the array, so you need to just add on the behalf of some operator to get the array values, right? The second one that we are going to use, that is called the spread operator, right? Here you can see that we have a string and we are just spreading it and converting it into the array. Okay, so whenever you have a string and you want to convert that into an array with a particular letter or something, you can use the spread operator for that one. Let's console.log this one. Let's go and just check it out. Just reload this one. So I will going to take a one string, okay, and the spread operator over here. So this spread, three dots, okay, and string. Make sure, and let's add the array part and let's have a look on that. So it will add the plus also on the same note, exclamation mark on the same note, right? Hello world plus. So you will get to know each and every index of that one. If I want to get the index like 0 1, so you can get the index also, but indexing part in the strings I will let you know in the coming video, which is basically we are using the char, which part you want to get that index. So basically that part is for getting the particular index of that one, right? So moving to the next one that we are using, that is called the regular expressions, right? We will match the regular expressions, then we will get the output according to it. But note that this method may not work as expected. Why? For all strings, since the regular expression used for the matching may not be adjusted depending on the desired result, right? So here we are just using the match expression case and then we are converting the string to array. Okay, so you can use that method also and it will also work on that one, but in some cases it will not. So try on behalf of it which one you are going to like it. Okay, so let me know in the comment section which method is good and the best. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day. Have a great day.